We're checking out this vacant lot for maybe doing some sledding. And man, it snows so deep. As you can see, it's trudging through it. Is it? There she goes. Oh my goodness. You need some help getting up? Well, I'll go get some help. I'll be back in half an hour. You can do it.
On your knees. I don't think this is a good idea.
Whew. That was a workout. They built this plywood toboggan to do a little sledding.
We're on YouTube now.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Blazing a trail here. Now we're at the steep part. What a cool toboggan. Manufactured in about an hour's time. Alright, we're going to do another compression run.
Don't run over me. Saturday afternoon after the big snowfall. We have a whole crew here helping our neighbors who are renting. They're from California, so snow to them is not a common problem.
We got a snow shoveling party going on here.
I just found the edge of the driveway.
Yeah.
Karen and Mike's car is parked in front of our RV now, so that if they have an emergency, they have a way out.
Neighbors helping neighbors dig out of this epic snowstorm.
It's very dry and powdery.
Solar panels aren't working this time.
Last few feet to go here.
We got a good start on Alex and Carolyn's driveway.
The last driveway we're shoveling out.
The last one would say that.
Well, for now. The blue hole's out over Sequim. Well, at least over the Strait of Juan de Fuca. Absolutely beautiful out.
What a day.
On our way back home. It's surreal out here.
So they're going to the vacant lot.
Yep. I think I want to take a video of them.
Yeah.
Your rope.
What rope?
The rope on his sled.
Gee, you're running too soon. This is where you need to start running.
She's just. Can you push me?
No, just come on. Yeah, start running. Oh, no. Oh, she's got a good. She's
There
got
you
a
go.
good sled.
Look at that! Wow! Coming through! Oh, wow.
Like a little jump right here.
I'd say maybe just by at least a couple more inches. It's
Wow.
crazy. Really right in downtown.
Huh?
That's gonna be crazy.
I think we should pack it down a little bit. The first person to hit the backside.
Oh, to be young again.
I'll go first. Oh, so you launch off.
They're building a little jump here.
So it's gonna be like this.
Telling yourself to
Gotta
do
turn it off. I think the first couple runs we might have to, pack it down after each one.
Would my mom be okay with
All right.
No, that was a good one. And it didn't even go down that much either. You want to start like right at this lip where it starts going downhill. Yes. Oh! Yes! We should build this up and build a landing.
You got love it. Oh, that's cute. I like that. I'm scared. I'm scared. abort mission.
Oh fuck!
That was great.
Oh my god.
Oh, jeez.
Dude, look at this. I landed over here. You want to try it? Oh, I was in your shot.
Whoa.
That was far.
You go.
Wait.
Cody on the back.
Oh.
Oh, devil. Okay, great.
Oh, you guys are risking it. It's true love. God.
Beautiful sunset after an amazing day.